near wall or short distance at right side, so it should go left. So I have to
So
move
it will
right
turn
wheel.
its right wheel or left wheel?
Right wheel should move to go left. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so let's try our code now. Yeah, perfect. It can turn at front side and right side. Okay? So now we need to add left side. So I'm gonna add one more statement using plus ultrasonic left. And Teresa, can you help me to write the condition here?
Um, so if you want to move right, you have to like put you have to use the left, and if you
Yeah,
want, you'll use the right wheel.
yes, exactly. So for ultrasonic left, we have to add condition, which is distance, and how to move. So, in your opinion, if ultrasonic left condition should be, what do you think? I know it's not
Um,
easy for you at first time, but try to say it wrong. If it's wrong, we're gonna fix it together.
maybe left.
hmm No, first we need to add the condition. First, before adding action, we have to add the condition. So, what is the condition?
The condition is left and right.
Look, condition means what is the distance that ultrasonic, if detect, should move.
With
So
12, 12. 0 to 12.
yes, exactly. From 0 to 12. Okay, so I'm gonna add from 0 to 12 here, and then it has to move when detecting something at left side. Move, which is
So
it
move
should
the,
move.
I think the left wheel.
Yes, exactly. Left to. Okay, now let's test our code. Now avoid it can avoid the wall from right side and from left side and from front. Now we have one thing. What you can see here? What's happening here? Why the robot is stuck here?
Because
What?
uh, the wall comes in the front of it.
And
What?
if he will move right, he will
Mhm.
again goes into wall near. If he will move left, then he will again goes near the wall. We have
Smart boy.
to
Hmm. What we
we
have to
have
do?
to we have to make the robot move back.
Hmm. Tell me, I'm listening.
We have to move the robot back. Then
Okay.
what?
So, smart boy, we have issue here that not only left side of detecting the wall, not only right ultrasonic or front, all the sensor detecting the wall from all sides. So now the robot is stuck in a corner. We need to tell the robot how to move in this case if it's stuck in a corner. Okay, so we're gonna add one statement now. I'm adding one statement and make
Ma'am, ultrasonic all.
yes ultrasonic all. And I'm gonna add all together. If you detect the wall from all sides together, you have to turn. But in, instead of going backward, I prefer to turn one wheel forward, one backward, negative, to turn around its center, like this. Let's
Okay.
see.
Okay.
I will tell you. I'm gonna add it at the corner here. Look, it can turn. Now it works. It will not stuck. Okay, now the robot can
Okay.
move.
Miss,
Mm.
but while we are controlling it, when maybe if it will go to the what happens if the car goes to the blue box in the like it has a yellow outline.
For now, nothing will happen because we are not collecting objects. But if we collect object and move over the yellow trap zone, you will lose the objects. You will lose your points or the score. Okay, so
Ah,
you have to avoid touching the trap zone while you are having any object. Okay,
Okay.
is it clear till now?
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
For all of you, Parisa, is it easy or you feel it's difficult?
Ma'am, it is easy.
Difficult.
Uh-huh. Parisa. I'm asking Parisa now.
It's for me it's so difficult. I can't like for me that part is hard. How did you open the chart?
Okay, from here, yeah, you can ask any question you feel that it's confusing for you now because this is your first time. So I will show you again how to open it from here. AI. You have to press on this circle, AI. It will open this page. To add any new statement, we need to press on plus.
Okay. So
Okay.
Miss where do you live?
Mm-hmm.
Where do you live?
Now,
Yeah.
uh, I'm from Egypt.
But where do you live now?
Now I'm in Dubai.
Oh good.
Okay. So to add new statement from here. Tell me anything else you are not feeling it's easy.
No.
Okay. After many videos with the instruction to follow after activating your account, your
Miss
software.
Miss at home can we like do this area like do this app at home?
Yeah, for sure. In 2 or 3 days, I will send you the software and activation code and everything. Okay. Okay. So let's start learning how to collect objects. Okay. Now we use ultrasonic sensor, which is a sensor responsible for measure distance. Second sensor will be color sensor. From from the word color sensor means to detect different colors and then do one action. Okay, so how to detect the color, how to know the color. I'm gonna move the robot here, and I want you to take a look here. Look here at the color sensors. It's clear. Now we have two sensors, right and left. Okay, while it's moving here, the robot now detect which color. You tell me, all of you.
Red.
Red.
Now it's red? No. Now it's white. Now it's white, not red. Look at the right and left. It's white, but this white contain three ranges: R, G, B, red, green,
Ma'am,
blue. Hmm. Yes.
ma'am, when we mix these color make these all colors.
Yes, exactly. So each color has three numbers for red, green, blue. Okay, RGB. So the color sensor is also, we are calling it RGB sensor. RGB sensor means red, green, blue. Each color to the computer contain from three colors: red, green, and blue. Okay, so now the robot detect white color, which is 255 in red, 255 in green, and 255 in blue. Okay, I'm gonna move, and now I'm detecting orange. Look here, right and left became
Orange.
orange with different numbers in red, green, and blue. So each color consists of three numbers: number for the red color, and number
Ma'am,
for the green,
ma'am,
and number for the
ma'am,
blue. Yes.
ma'am, in orange we have to do red 255, green half, I do 160, and blue 0.
Yeah, exactly. I will revise this also. Okay, so let's see the other colors now. I'm gonna move and now, Mu'ayyid. Only Mu'ayyid now. Can you hear me, Mu'ayyid?
Mr. Muayyid, he left the meeting, and Dr. Sakib is saying that let him in.
He's trying to. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay,
Mr. In.
yeah. Now Mu'ayyid with us. Mu'ayyid, can you hear me right now? In from the keyboard, use your mouse and click on the map, on the mini
Okay.
map here. Okay, then the robot will start using arrows, start moving. You can control the robot to
Miss,
go and take
Miss,
a reading.
Mr. Do we control the robot from the keyboard arrows?
Yes, we can control the robot from the keyboard arrows, but and information and
Okay.
readings and everything, but not in the match itself. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's try to collect red object. Okay, you have the paper and pen. I want you to write with me.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
have.
Okay,
Yes,
great.
even I have.
Okay. I will write here to be visible to you. Now for red, I'm gonna take 3 readings. Red, green, or let's see R, we are calling it RGB. We will take, this is red object, okay? We will take 3 readings for the red and green and blue. What is the reading for the red now
Ma'am,
or
255.
Red. 255.
255?
Ma'am,
Yes.
red 255 and green and blue 0.
Green, no, for now I'm gonna just write the numbers I'm seeing on the screen. 255, 1 and 1. Okay, but for those numbers to be accurate, we have to make range. Parisa, do you know what the meaning of range?
Um, uh, I'm just gonna have a try.
Yeah, try. Tell me what the meaning of range. What this word means.
Uh, um, Range means like
Hmm,
making a clear, resonant, or vibrating sound.
I couldn't hear you. Please repeat.
Uh, Range means the
Hmm.
area of a variation in upper and lower limits on a
Limits.
particle scale.
Okay, so it's limits. I'm gonna add like minimum number and maximum number I will accept, uh, or I will add it here like range to tell the sensor if you detect any number between those 2 numbers, it's okay, it's red. Okay, how to make the range? I'm gonna make something called